of a video game. Newly married, welcome back to tour, my friend. That's a 360, Jesus Christ there. Get him off the ground. Peter threw it down. All right, John Roberts rolling in again. Oh, here we go. Part of the Godfrey clan front flip, wicked late snap. That was wild. I don't know what happened, but he definitely missed the snap on that. All right, here comes Dusty Weigel. That's a long way down. Here we go, 360 tabletop. Yes, Dusty. Wow, massive good moves. That's Todd Mine. I think he might have rabies. He's barking on the way down. He might have rabies. He's right. And here comes Ryan Williams. Front flip cash roll.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog on the channel. Today we're out here at Clear Creek and we got my older brother out here. He is beginning riding. He's riding my younger brother over G's 125. So what do I say for the people right now?
I say it's a good day. It's cold out. It's honestly fantastic weather, but it's a little sandy.
Alright.
So we're gonna handle that and go knock out a few laps.
Alright, what's your Instagram for the people that want it?
Oh god. B_Bushnell, all lowercase.
Alright, and ladies, this man is single. Hit him up, alright? Just because he's a beginner at riding doesn't mean he's a beginner with the ladies. So make sure you guys follow him on Instagram. With that being said, my Instagram, I'll put it up here. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss another video, and let's go riding. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's an amazing day out there at the trails. I'm going to take the last 1 to 3 minutes of this video, however long it takes, to give you guys a quick and brief explanation of why I haven't been making content for the past 4 months. So let's get into it. First and foremost, just everybody that I've been trying to interview, the boys, the girls, and you know, everyone at the races and at the trails, the track, everything that I tried to do over the summer just, you know, didn't happen because I had an injury at 191 and it took me out for the first half of the summer. They started getting summer jobs like everyone that I was trying to interview during the second half of the summer that I was riding, so no one was out there. So making content was very, very difficult. That being said, reason number 2, I've had many vlogs and stuff like that that I just still haven't posted. There's been a little bit of slacking off my end in terms of race vlogs, but overall content has just not been able to be made at the same level that I have been able to within the past 4 months and then back, you know. Basically when I was making those videos a while ago, I just haven't been able to make content like that since then, right? Reason number 3 is some events have just been canceled. I don't know if you guys know about the mini major, but that happened at Monster, which rescheduled a race that was supposed to be a grass track race, and then the weekend after was supposed to be another Monster race that I was going to try and do and record some videos from those club races that I do on the channel, and those got canceled. So that, you know, took away all the content that I could have made, so I'm really kind of disappointed about that, you know, but wasn't the end of the world. With that being said, guys, that's really all that's been going on. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss another video on the channel, and peace out. We'll see you in the next one.
I swear I like your style. Put you in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I'd run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love you can't. You need me, say my name.